Are you tired of daily grind and you want to make $100 per day? To make this kind of money consistently, you will need to develop a special skill. Whether it's web design, digital marketing, or video editing, in this video, I will walk you through several proven methods that can help you reach your goal, from creating content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, to offering service online, blogging, or even starting a dropshipping business. There's something here for everyone. So let's dive in. Now, the first method of making $100 per day is creating content. If you are passionate about specific niche, whether it's cooking, health and fitness, or even vlogging, you can turn this passion into profit. Start by creating YouTube channel and regularly post high quality videos on your chosen topic. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization. Once approved, Google will send you an AdSense pin physically via your local post office. Enter that pin and you can start making money through sponsored ads. YouTube typically pays between 21st to 26th of every month via direct bank deposit. You can use the same content creation strategy for Instagram and TikTok. These platforms also rewards creators for engaging content. On Instagram, you can earn money through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and product placement. The key here is consistency and creating content that resonates with your audience. Now, the next method is offering a service or a skill. If you are a graphic designer, a web developer, or a digital marketer, platforms like freelancer.com and guru.com offers extensive job opportunities. Create a compelling profile highlighting your skills and start bidding for projects. These platforms allows you to work with clients from all over the world as you build your portfolio. The beauty of freelancing is that you control your workload and time, allowing you to focus on projects that interests you. Now, another way of making $100 per day is through blogging. Start by choosing a niche that you are passionate about, be it travel, tech, personal finance, or any other topic. You can create content and post it on blogger.com, which is free and user-friendly. To take it up a notch, find a free web hosting service that can host your site. Once your blog is up and running, you can earn money by allowing Google to display ads on your website. Blogging is a great way to share your knowledge and interests. As your traffic grows, so will your ad revenue. Blogging is a great way to share your knowledge and interest while earning a passive income. Finally, let's talk about dropshipping business. This business model allows you to run an online store without keeping any inventory. Start by creating a Shopify store around a niche. Next, find a reputable supplier like Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, and AliExpress that offers products related to your niche. Once your store is set up, you can focus on marketing and drive traffic to your site. The suppliers will handle order, fulfillment, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus on growing your business. With the right products and marketing strategy, you can make $100 a day or more. Now that you know how to make $100 per day, it is time to take action. Whether you choose to start creating content, offer your service, start a blog, or dive into dropshipping, the key here is to start today. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share videos on how to make money online. As always, let's finish up with the scripture. Our scripture comes from the book of Psalms 119 verses 11. I have laid up your word in my heart, that I might not sin against you. That's Psalms 119 verses 11. God bless you so much.